Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eve. This is Everyday Artist and welcome. This is Rogue. Say hi. Today is the second Monday in August, whatever date that is. It's getting late already. As I thought, it's the 10th. I'm here to talk to you about my stitching and a little bit of crochet, and I don't have a lot of time, so let's get right into it. Well, my birthday is this week, so I'm looking forward to spending time with my family for my birthday, but I have a meeting I have to rush off to, so I did want to show you, I haven't shown you my crochet in a long time because it looks virtually the same. It's just longer. I'm trying to get it right side out, right side up. Oh my goodness. I thought I had this ready. That's inside out. There we go. My goodness. So it's just much longer. And this is going to go over my shoulders and go down my arms, and I want it to go at least to my wrists, so I'm thinking I'm going to have to go buy another skein of yarn in this color. Hopefully I can find this color. My goodness, I can't even get it on my body like anymore, but I've added quite a bit of length to it. It's just not as long as I want it. And if I can't find this color, I'll get a black, maybe. We'll see. If I can't find this color, I might have to finish it sooner than I wanted, which will look weird because it'll be short. And I haven't been putting in a lot of stitches on it, just a few a night. Just I'm getting so tired lately. So the first thing I want to show you is TinyModernist Dark Forest, and I'm working on this. It's going to be a journal cover, hopefully, and I'm still working on the back stitching. But I realized I forgot a couple of back stitch little sparkles like this up here, so I have to remember to do those. The back stitching will make the moths more evident against this fabric. But it really adds some dimension. You can see the difference between these two. I don't mind back stitching, it's just time consuming. And it seems like I have a lot of projects that call for back stitching. I forgot one of my projects. I'm gonna get it. Oh, the air conditioner came on, so I hope you can hear me. Oops, I grabbed two of these. Murder in the Garden by Hands On Design. I've been working on this not for very long, but at a stitching group we go to, and when we do our videos for Three Sister Creative, let's see if I can get it right side up. I finished one more bird, this one over here, and when I was trying to add flowers here, I realized I did the last of this part wrong, so I had to I had to frog some there. But this is going to have tons of back stitching. Every leaf is back stitched, and there's stamens to put in, and there's little sparkles to put on, and just all kinds of stuff. But it'll enhance the look, so I don't mind. But I'm kind of regret waiting till the end to do it. I might do some of it next, I don't know. I have one more bird, and the flowers associated with that bird, and then tons of back stitching to do on that. And I haven't shown you this in a while. This is my flag. I've only gotten 4 white, and it's hard to tell them from the fabric. Four white flowers. I find myself forgetting that I have this, and so I thought maybe I would just keep it out on the table or something so I would remember to work on it. Even if I just put in 1 flower a day, you know, it'll get done eventually. So the air conditioner finally went off. It comes on frequently because it's very hot. So it'll probably come on again before I'm done. I got it all messed up so I couldn't fold it. Okay. And then Temperature Pets by JaceBreeze. This looks a little bit like a Sedona mountain. It's going to be a schnauzer. When you get to days, see days like this, you know, 1 stitch or 2 stitches, it's not much. When you get to days where it's all the way across the animal, I think I should work on it. I don't know what I have on my mouth, I'm sorry. I think I should work on it more than 1 day at a time. I work on it on Fridays and have a whole week's worth in 1 day, and I don't get to stitch on other stuff I want that day. So maybe I should work on it daily. This is one of my WIPGO projects for August. This is Hedgehog by Maria Bravko, Cute Patterns by Maria. And this looks really simple, doesn't it? It's listed as easy. Yeah. And it is, except I kept getting lost as to what I've done and what I haven't done. So I started marking it off. Now, I did all this dark one first, and I'm trying to put in 2 other colors I've been working on in here, and I just get lost as to what I'm putting on. And then I realize nobody's going to know if I do it wrong. You won't be able to tell. So the only thing you have to remember is to keep these little bright colored ones in there, because that's the little spines going back. So the next time I work on it, I'm going to be not worrying about it too much. Maybe I'll get more done on it, because I'm like stitching 3 and frogging 2. Now, I did start this on August 1st, and I think I showed it to you last week. I haven't got a lot done on it, and that's not for lack of trying. It's just a lot of color changes and a lot of counting. And this is where I am. And I'm trying to get I'm trying to get the colors finished in one area before I go on to another area. And this is out this way because I was trying to finish in this area and I needed that color, and I just went till the thread ran out. Same with this color here, this yellow. I needed it in here and I just went till the color ran out. That's Hank. That's Hank being Hank. He's rubbing his back on the ground. Anyway, that's all I have. Oops, sorry, kicked the stand. That's all I have today. And thanks for listening. Hope you guys are enjoying your August stitching. And I'll see you soon. Bye.